Crude oil has retraced and achieved the lows at 76.3, while net gas has finally shown signs of recovery and has hit 1.8. Does it mean that the trend is reversed where oil is turning bearish and the net gas is going to fly high? What is going to be our strategy trading oil and gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to stay tuned with the twice a day updates. Also, do like, share, and comment, friends. It is a great motivation for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Also, if you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. First, on the hourly charts, if you look at, see, it appears that it is trying to create this expanding triangle here, where the bottom is at around 75.5 levels, 75.8, 75.5. Very, very good support exists here. Right now also, if you look at the hourly chart, see, look at the movement, the resistance here at 78.6. See, those who follow me, I have mentioned many times that beyond 78.2, 78.6 is the milestone it needs to break. Now see what has happened since then. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows are getting created here. Right now also on the hourly charts, after finding its resistance at 77.5, it is retraced and now consolidated. Thus, a selling entry is confirmed. If you see it at 76.2, you can look forward to 75.8, and below which further bearishness will prevail. On the hourly charts, moving averages have crossed over here, signs of bearishness. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels, trying to recover a bit. While MACD is divergent and bearish, it appears it has hit a bottom here, but let's see if it continues further, because see, this is what I was looking at, flat bottom and expanding triangle. So it has hit a bottom. A possible recovery is what we should look at, but it is not showing any signs. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to 2 hour. Look at 2 hour charts here. Same observation here. Only thing is the preceding candle was a consolidation candle. Thus, a break below 76.2 will confirm the drop towards 75.8 levels, the next support. Moving averages crossing over here, sign of bearishness, and this also makes 77.5 as the critical resistance on the upside. Stochastic trying to rise a bit. MACD divergent and bearish. It appears it has hit a low, but we have to wait for it to converge, crossover, and enter into buy zone. RSI almost at bottom. Coming to 3 hour charts, look at the 3 hour charts here. You will find see, after finding the resistance here at 78.6, it has shown a sharp drop, and certainly 75.5 with the support. It should not break in any case, which will confirm the bearish reversal. But also now look at the 3 hour charts, a sharper drop, and then it has found a greener candle here, and this candle after preceding candle has closed with almost 60% of the body and of the complete move, and now it is trying to retrace. There is a possibility of a little retracement on the upside. How far? Yes, 77.3 zone can be achieved, but see, the moving averages have started to converge, and only bullish confirmation in oil if it stays above 77.5, 77.6 zone. If you look at the stochastic, this has hit a bottom. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also now starting to look upwards. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, consolidation, couple of red candles, almost symmetrical move here. What has happened here almost is being reflected. Then a sharp drop. This time the drop is bit moderate. Look at the bearishness here and the bearishness here. The bearishness is getting diminished. That is one thing you should observe. Second thing is the resistance here is very, very strong. You can note this. A flat top is seen here, and first bearish candle, second bearish candle. So even if it tries to retrace, as long as 77.5, 77.6 levels are not taken on the upside, we cannot treat oil as bullish, and we should not treat oil for a reversal. Thus, it is very, very important for it to break beyond 77.5, 77.6 zone, and then even on the upside 78, 78.2, and 78.6, very, very nearby and very, very strong resistances for oil exist on the upside. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI almost flat. Coming to daily, now look at daily charts. What it has done, it has achieved the peak resistance here, and then couple of bullish candles, couple of bearish candles. Where is the bottom here? 75.5. Yes, it is still far, because see, there is support from the 20 and 50 100 period moving average, the median of the Bollinger Bands, and the 50 period. So you can consider that even if it continues to stay bearish here, 75.5, as long as 75.5 is not breached, we should not be treating oil as bearish, because it is definitely going to find a good support at around those levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover here. It is not yet crossed over. The candle has to be equally sharp in order to confirm a reversal. RSI looking downwards. Now, before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself now. So, equip yourself with the tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades across instruments, be it indices, commodity, currency, crypto as well. Yes, you should join this mentorship batch. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where we set diverse instruments as well. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and visit my platform forexfunda.com for markets related information and if you want to consult with me. Now look at the daily charts as I shared. It is about to look further down. First bearish candle and today's is second bearish candle. Also look at the preceding few candles getting flat top here. Thus making it a stronger resistance zone. It appears that it may try to move further down. And if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. Though the moving averages are staying bullish as of now, so it is still under retracement. The stochastic is looking down here and we have seen the MACD. So considering this, I will recommend you sell oil at 76.3 and buy oil at 77.3. For this $1, do not take a trade. On the downside, 75.8, 75.5 are the two support levels which it has to break in order to stay bullish, and these levels are going to play a major support for oil on the downside. Thus, you need to keep booking profits and keep trailing. On the upside, you can buy at 77.3, but be careful. It has to break beyond 77.6, 78, 78.2, and 78.64 major resistances on the upside. Once it breaks beyond 78.6, that is a confirmation of a reversal and a rally. Else, I do see there is bearishness here in the oil. Possibly it will try to move towards 75.5, but these are markets. You have to stick to the levels without the bias, and thus do not trade between 76.3 and 77.3 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. See, net gas since today it has started to give a stronger bullish move. We have seen this one bullish candle, and after consolidation, now it is again looking upwards. What I'll be looking forward to 1.83 levels as the next targets and 1.9 if it continues to stay bullish. Yes, possibility for it to achieve higher highs exist. Moving averages have crossed over is signs of bullishness here, and moving averages looking upwards again signs of bullishness here. Stochastic rising, it is back to overbought levels. MACD still trying to diverge and stay in the bullish zone. RSI is overbought here. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. One bullish candle, consolidation second, and this could be followed with series of bullish candles which can take the prices further up towards 1.9 levels. Possibilities there. Stochastic rising back to overbought. MACD divergent in bullish. RSI overbought. Coming to 3 hour charts. Coming to 3 hour charts, you can find a flat bottom first bullish candle. I'll wait for it to break now beyond 1.805 levels, beyond which we can look forward to 1.83, and then sooner it will try to move towards 1.88, 1.9. See, 1.88, 1.9 is going to be the next milestone. It needs to break in order to confirm further reversal and a rally. Moving averages are turning upwards. It is a sign of bullishness here. So yes, you can buy here at 1.805, 1805. When these lower prices are above 1805, you can buy. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, first bullish candle, consolidation, then next bullish candle. There is a probability that from here we can see series of bullish candles taking it further up towards 1.88, 1.9 zone very soon. On the downside, one should remember a selling entry is only below 1.74 levels. The 1.74, 72 and 1.7, these three are critical support levels for gas on the downside. Only and only if it breaks below 1.7, you should treat this as bearish. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought here. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. Gap down support here at 1.6. It is trying to reverse first standalone single bullish candle. There has to be a second bullish candle. What it is trying to do? It is trying to move towards 20 period moving average. Thus, there is a very strong probability for gas to now move towards 1.88, 1.9 zone. Today itself, there is a possibility to it. And when I say today, the candle closing on this chart is a bit later, that is tomorrow. We have a candle closing early in the morning with the Asia session. Thus, by tomorrow with the Asia session, it may try to aspire to achieve those levels. Stochastic rising. MACD, look at MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, first bullish candle, and it appears, look what we are observing here, double bottom, and double bottom means a W here can be seen, which can take the prices on the upside here. Be watchful of this. See, gas after long time is showing a reversal sign. RSI is just coming out of the oversold zone. Thus, you can buy here at 1.805 levels and expect it to move towards 1.83, the first target, and then 1.88, the next targets. Yes, if it stays above 1.83, stay bullish for 1.88, 1.9 levels very soon. On the downside, a selling entry, I will confirm, is only at 1.75 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 1.73 or 1.725 and 1.7 zone. Two major support levels for gas on the downside. If you see it trading below 1.7, that will be the confirmation of a bearish reversal. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do watch that as well. Thank you.